What is this? This is karate. Let's explore. Watch this.
Teacher? Guys, look, that's our teacher.
Yeah. Let's start now. Let's start now. Watch this. Well, wait. Teach me. Okay, wait. Watch this. Dun, 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 do, 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 do. 1 second. Where is it? DR! You have to press the hit when you got beaten. Yeah!
Yeah, I don't think this is a real karate school.
What the? Oh, you're an extra. You made him fainted. Whatever.
He just died.
Let's do this. Ha! Ready to do ha! 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 No! Stop it, baby. Stop it. Stop it. No!
That's how you really.
What happened to him? Is he okay? Yeah. Good thinking we did it.
That's how you do karate, okay?
Okay. You're laughing,
No, probably.
but you're fainting.
I'm Michael Jackson.
Well, how are you indestructible?
I never die.
Sammy never dies. Is he good?
I don't know.
APX, let me teach you something.
I guess you got you with someone. Wait.
What? No! Down! Wait, punch me. Try to punch me. I dare you.
Okay, wait. Let me look for the punch one.
What are you doing?
I'm looking for something.
Ugh.
So this is how you really do it. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you all how you
Show him, Sammy.
do this.
Cha! Stop it, Spy Dude! You're cracking my back! Don't! Down!
I do it.
That wasn't quite as expected.
I behind what I'm doing.
Down! My back! Stop cracking my back, Sammy! What are you doing? Wait. How are you doing that?
Do this. Press boxing.
Wait, watch.
First press backflip. Do this. Turn around. Then hit.
I don't see it. But oh, I see it. Ow!
Earthquake happening. We gotta go quick. There's an
Yeah.
earthquake. We gotta
Stop hitting me! Ugh.
We gotta
Yeah,
battle the
both of them are bad. Both of them are bad at the karate.
But we gotta battle the earthquake. It's happening.
Wait, guess what?
But
They're bad at karate.
I'm gonna teach them something.
What are you gonna teach us?
Yeah, I'm gonna teach you how to be better at karate by doing something to you guys.
Enough! Stop! Show him. Show him. Down! See, that's how they are better for doing karate.
And in karate, you gotta use this.
Stop! Put the sword down!
Come here, APX. You gotta learn how to fight with swords.
It's pet. Oh, you give me a cut. Stop it! I don't feel any pain. Are they bad at karate?
Yeah, they are. I'm just gonna teach them another lesson.
What lesson?
Never be bad at anything.
Oh, you're scaring me. No. Relax. I'll do it. I'll do it. But I'm thinking. It's not time for think. We'll just do karate tomorrow.
Slice and backflip.
Wait. Sammy. Can't we do karate tomorrow and we can do karate practice tomorrow? Like, competition?
Hey, guys, follow me. I'm gonna show you guys how to explode a nuclear plant.
Stop what you do it. I mean, no. I mean, Spy Dude, you do it. Fine. Where are you?
Okay, guys, meet me outside and I'll tell you how to explode a nuclear plant.
Are you outside?
Yep.
I,
I'll tell you how to explode.
where are you? I can't. Oh, don't worry. They'll be in here in a sec.
Okay.
Now this is how you do a karate. You know? Let's lock the door.
Yeah.
Where are we going?
We're gonna go to the nuclear power plant.
Yeah, I'll sit next to you. Wait for me.
I'm gonna show you guys how to get the radioactive crystal.
Crystal? What do you mean? Are we going to radioactive crystal?
Yep.
But we don't need a mask, right? Is it clear?
Everybody get their horses. You don't need horses. You don't need a hazmat mask.
Oh, it's good? Is it good? Is it good?
Dad, we're gonna explode this cliff.
Why? What'd you do?
You had to do that.
Wait, can I see? Let me see.
Okay, here. Place the bomb here. Place the bomb here.
What the? Place the bomb there? What? Wait.
Okay.
Spy Dude, you. Okay, Spy Dude and APX do it. Fine. Let me do it. Now you idiot.
Place the bomb here.
Oh my God! How did I?
To the waste room. And now we're gonna throw this letter right here.
What's this letter?
The letter. Now follow me. Follow me. Now we're gonna go to the generator room.
Generator room.
That's good. Now follow me up here.
You got this, Spy Dude. Spy Dude's only, right? Where are you taking me, Sammy?
Someone must have already painted all of these.
Probably.
Yeah, we gotta check.
Hey, wait. Sammy. Where did you
Yes,
find?
it's ready. Follow me. It's ready.
Dad, help me. I got
I think
it.
it's ready.
I'm coming.
It isn't ready yet. Nope. Nope, never mind. It isn't ready yet. We gotta do it.
Where are we going?
We just gotta drink all of these and make sure that they're red.
What?
Yep.
You need to what?
Trust me. Follow the process.
Wait for me. I don't know what I'm doing. Ow! I cracked my back. I'm used to it. I'm coming, Sammy. Wait for me. Down, stuck.
Yep. It's ready.
It's not that bad.
It's ready.
What? Who's doing that?
Follow me, Spider. Oh.
Ah!
The radioactive crystal.
Ah! this it? Of course it is. Let's press the hit button since we're radioactive.
Beauty.
Let's press the hit button. This is the best radioactive ever. Explosion. Everyone likes the radioactive explosion.
Everybody likes the radioactive gem.
Wait, let's try it again. Do you think did you have fun, Spy Dude? It was good, I suppose.
Good, I got the radioactive crystal.
Can you, yeah, worry about it. Okay. Ha 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 ha. Everyone likes the radioactive thing because it has an explosion and it didn't.
Yep.
Dun dun dun. The explosion completed.